So I'm going to show you how to make this knot right here. And this is a bend. Bend is the term used for connecting two ropes together. So these are two separate ropes, and I'm connecting them. This one in particular is called the Zeppelin bend. And one of the coolest features about this one is that even when I pull it really, really, really hard, I can very easily pull it right apart again. So I'm going to do that for you. The way to do this knot is very similar to forming an overhand knot. So remember, in the overhand knot, I would just take my working end and come right through here. But instead, we're actually connecting two overhand knots from both of our ropes. So the one on the left here, you'll notice I have my working end and I've laid it on top of this one. Now, on the other side, I'm actually going to go the other way. So I'm going to go around the other way and put it underneath. And you'll notice that the working end on either side are kind of in opposite corners. So if I had done it this way, that would actually be a slightly different knot when I show this. So it's actually really important that it go this way. So this one on top, this one underneath. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the one with the working end on top over and on top of this other loop that I've formed. Now, I'm going to take these ends and just do an overhand knot, but I'm using both loops to do it. So I'm going to take that working end, go through here, and I'm going to take this working end and come up and over and through. And when I pull these now, I'm going to kind of tighten this up. You will see that I have formed this same beautiful Zeppelin bend. Good luck.